G'day DIYers. I've kicked out all my clips on the floor. I did the floor yesterday. Now I'm just laser leveling my line right around. I'm going off my strip drain here, so I will be trimming my bottom row accordingly. So what I've got to do now is mark off right around the bathroom, my level line, easy peasy, just like that. Then I turn off my laser. I'm not wasting the battery. I don't have to keep charging the laser level because I only have it on for a few minutes. I did that one with a pencil. Lover, lover, lover. Easy peasy. Ooh. Okay, that's my whole bathroom laser leveled. I've marked it. I just join up the dots now. We're laughing. And I'm set to go. So I can now turn off my laser level. I don't waste the battery, put it away. I don't need it for anything else. Right, we'll see you soon on the next step. Stay tuned, there's heaps to learn.